Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this connecting rod is this body is design here, and how to this design is learn here, and how to easily this body is design here. Use a Solidworks software, and guys, this body is a very useful, and this is a part of a for a stock engine, and all part is a one by one is drawing here, but this part is a practice purpose is this body is design here, and extra knowledge or learn here easily and clearly. Okay guys, at first drawing this is a correct, and this is a also all drawing learn here, and you can see here easily all body all dimension is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, let's start here, and this body is design. okay 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 at first select a plane is a front plane is use here, and all point is drawing this body is design drawing here, and all dimension is learn here, all dimension is use a millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, at first select a okay, this is a correct. Drawing a two circle is a drawing here. Okay, and again select a drawing two again circle is drawing, this is a correct. Two circle is a drawing this. Okay, and connect a center line, this point and this point connect a center line, and this center line is a horizontal. Okay, correct, this is a body is a correct, but this diameter is a 145 millimeter, and this is the 33.8 millimeter is correct. Okay, mention any dimension. This first is a 33.8 millimeter is correct, and second is a 45 millimeter diameter is correct, but this is a also this diameter is 72 millimeter and 54 millimeter is correct. Use a 72 millimeter is correct, and 54 millimeter is also better. Okay, all is correct, and this distance is a 22.5 millimeter is correct, and this distance is a 202.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, this is a perfect, but a line is created, and this point select a this. Okay, this is a correct, because this point is a select here. Okay, all is correct, and this point press a control button and select a this is a correct, and use a coincident. Okay, this line is a perfect, and use a this use a mirror. Okay, all is perfect, and this is a correct, and this distance is 21 millimeter, and this angle is 6.5 millimeter is correct, and mention any dimension this point, and this point is distance is 21 millimeter is correct, and this is a angle is 6.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, okay, all is correct, but select this line and connect to each other, and trim some extra portion is delete here, and this is a correct. Okay, all is perfect, and okay, all is perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, Okay, and this distance is a 38 millimeter is thick. This is a 38 and this is a 90 millimeter is correct. Okay, and select exit and feature and extrude boss, and this is a okay, and select a midpoint and use a 38 millimeter is correct, and exit. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay, cartoon is apply here, and again select this sketch, and this is a correct, and this midpoint is apply here, and this 90 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, but some fillet is used here, and this fillet is a okay, apply here, and 22.8 millimeter, and this is a 42 millimeter is correct, and both side is a 22 point okay, 22.8 millimeter is correct. 22.8 millimeter is perfect, and again select a fillet, and this is a 42 is better, 42 millimeter, and this is a this is a and this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this and this. Okay, 42 millimeter, and both side is correct and perfect. Okay, and some this face is select here, and a sketch and normal, and at first a center line is a click here, connect to each other, and drawing a center point state slot is drawing here, and this is a correct. Okay, this is a oblong is drawing here, and this point is a okay, this is a correct, but this center point this is a and okay, okay, this point is 92 millimeter is correct, and this is a radius is 8.5 millimeter is correct. This is a 92 millimeter is correct, 92 millimeter is correct, and this radius is a 8.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, all is perfect, and exit, and some use a extrude cut. Extrude cut is apply here a this is a okay, extrude cut is apply here, and this is a not mention here, but 4.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, some extra portion is 4.5 millimeter is correct, and click OK, and again select a plane. Okay, this is a correct, and select a plane is front plane, and use a mirror. Mirror is this is a correct. Okay, all is a looking perfect, both side is a mirror. Okay, and some use a fillet is 1.2 millimeter is correct, and this is a 1.2 millimeter is correct, and this is a this and select this, and also this is a perfect, and both side is this is a correct. Okay, all is looking here, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and all is perfect, and this point this is drawing here, this is a okay, this is a 30 millimeter is correct, and this is a 76 millimeter, and first radius is 9 millimeter, and this is a diameter 9 millimeter is correct. Okay, and at first select a plane is created here, and this face is click, and use a 30 millimeter is correct, and this flip side, and click OK, and this is a this a sketch and sketch, drawing a normal is correct, and use a center point state slot is correct, and this is a perfect. Okay, and some mention any dimension, this dimension is 76. Okay, and this is a 9 millimeter is correct. Okay, and one circle is drawing here, and circle is this, and again select a this. Okay, and both select a, press a control button and both select a, this is a equal. Okay, all is perfect, and mention any dimension, this dimension is a 9 millimeter. Okay, this radius is 9 millimeter and this is the diameter is 9 millimeter is correct, and exit and use a, this is a extrude boss, and use a, this is a up to surface, and surface is this. Okay, okay, this is a perfect, and some extra portion is delete here, and select this face and sketch, and some use a convert entities and use a extrude cut and apply here a both side all through both side, and this portion is delete here, and this is a correct, and some color is a this, and color is apply here this is a this. Okay, okay, this body is okay, all is looking perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and this body is easily drawing here, and this is a correct. Okay, okay, this body is design here, and how to this body is design, and guys all point is learn here easily and clearly, and guys I hope you will learn this design is easily and clearly learn here, and guys any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and guys get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share, and guys next lecture is coming soon. Okay guys, thank you.